Hi guys, this is Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here with more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. This one is going to be a steam train sound effect. So if you're doing a film set in maybe the Old West or something with a classic steam train rolling through town, then you can use this free sound effect for the locomotive passing by. So I'll play that sound effect now. Hey Mom, I'm gonna play over by the steam train tracks. No, Tommy, no! Hey Mom, I'm playing on the tracks. Watch me. Tommy, no, get off the tracks. Mommy! Tommy, no! Tommy, no!